Learning Spanish for Kids, celebrate mom using Spanish on Mother's Day. Feliz Madres Dia. Te amo. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Te amo, mommy. I love you, mommy. Gracias por tu amor, mommy. Thank you for your love, mommy. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe.
Yo gracias Dios por ti, mami. I thank God for you, mami. Yo siempre tengo disfruta con mi mama. I always have fun with my mom.
Soy bendecido por tener una madre como tú. I'm blessed to have a mother like you. If you're watching this video, hit the like button or you can subscribe. You can subscribe. Mi amor, gracias por ser una buena madre. My love, thank you for being a good mother.
Feliz Madres Dia a mi hermosa esposa. Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful wife.
Thank you for joining Learning Spanish for Kids, celebrating Mother's Day. Visit our website for details on our Spanish services and programs for all ages.